Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can hide home screen apps in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to home screen, and here select hide apps on home and app screens and select the apps which are to be hidden as per your wish. Here I select these apps including camera. I have selected and click on done. Now go to home screen and you cannot see those apps that you have selected. Okay, those apps are hidden now. If you want to release them, again you go to settings and then go to home screen, then go to hide apps on home and app screens, and just remove like this. Just click on minus symbol here and they will be restored to the original place, and click on done finally and go to the home screen now and see here all apps are restored now. So in this way you can easily hide home screen apps in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.